Ang ganda nun, di ba? Imagine, naghihirap ka sa trabaho dito sa Pilipinas. Pero, yung pera mo, parang OF na. Siya yung pumupunta sa abroad, sa ibang bansa, at nagtatrabaho para sa'yo. Ang ganda, di ba? Hello mga ka-RFF, ako muli si Enro Mendoza ng Rampver Financials. Kamusta ho kayo? Salamat po sa panonood ng aming mga video. Napaka-exciting ng video natin ngayon. Let's discuss how global investing can be your smartest financial move. Ready na ba? Let's go! Ang unang kailangan natin i-discuss ay bakit ba kailangan natin mag-diversify globally? Hindi ba enough na sa Pilipinas mag-invest na tayo? Mag-invest tayo sa real estate, sa Pag-ibig MP2, sa local stocks. Bakit kailangan pa nating lumabas? Bakit kailangan natin tingnan yung US or yung global index? Let's give you an analogy. Imaginein mo, owner ka ng sari-sari store sa inyong barangay, sa inyong community. Oo nga, maganda yung negosyo, marami kang buyers, pero fix ka lang sa local jurisdiction mo. Imagine mo, what if may iba ka pang negosyo outside your barangay? Hindi lang sari-sari store. What if nakataya ka rin sa ibang healthcare clinics? Baka meron kang pagawaan ng mga bag? Or what if meron ka ring shoes na brand, sportswear? Diba? So, you're not just fixed into one industry or one business. Ganito rin sa ating investments. This will allow you to participate in the growth of other industries and other markets. Ito pa, yung maganda. Dahil fix ka sa isang local economy, edi prone ka rin to, let's say, geographical instabilities, yung mga political issues, or yung mga kalagayan ng isang bansa. Pero once you expand, meron ka na ring access to other growth drivers like technology, innovation katulad ng AI, and other sectors na wala sa Pilipinas. So diversification helps reduce country-specific risk. So ang sabi nga nila, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Let's put them in the global baskets of the world. Now, let's discuss ano ba yung pinaka-simpleng way of globally diversifying. And let me introduce you to the S&P 500. Ito yung mga favorite ng ating guru investors, the likes of Warren Buffett, which is touted as one of the greatest investors of our generation. Ito ang sabi niya, a low-cost S&P 500 index fund is the best investment most people can make. Ang S&P 500 kasi would be the 500 largest companies in the US. Companies like Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Meta, these technology firms, and also from other industries like healthcare and the like. Just imagine this, if you invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 in the 1990s, today, it would be worth more than 120,000 US dollars without doing anything. This is the power of trusting the process and compound interest. Now, let's just compare yung S&P 500 sa ating local market, which is the PSEI. And it stands for Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So sa Pilipinas, ito yung 30 biggest companies. Companies like SM, Jollibee, Globe, or even BPI. Tingnan natin ang chart. San ba ang PSEI versus S&P 500? If we track 10 years ago, let's say 2014 to 2024, ano na ba yung growth ng S&P 500 and PSEI? May kita natin sa chart na si PSEI halos flat lang. This is because of different market movements and of course yung ating pandemic, which is a big driver in the last 5 years. But if we look at the S&P 500, may growth na siya in the last 10 years. If we look at the 10-year compounded annual growth return, this gives us 18%, which is very good in terms of a long-term investment. Imagine sa PSEI halos flat lang, but in the S&P 500, halos 18% yung growth niya, year-on-year blended. But let's go back 2 decades naman, 20 years. If we look at the PSEI, its compounded annual growth return would be around 13%. So very decent also from 2004 until 2024. But let's look at the S&P 500. From 2004 up to 2024, ang compounded annual growth return niya ay 19%. So imagine, this shows us, no? And you can look at this visually sa chart. This shows na mas stable yung growth sa S&P 500. This is because it's a more efficient market, the US versus the Philippine market. That's why in the Philippine market, if you notice, yung mga professionally managed funds, actively managed funds, would actually outperform the index fund. However, in the States, which is very efficient market, medyo mahirap i-outperform ang market. That's why people would just rather invest in the index, which is the S&P 500. So note lang this other factor. Imagine yung local investments mo is also dependent on the peso. What if you diversify globally and these investments are in US dollars or other currencies at lumalaki ang value nito versus the peso? Eh di hindi ka lang nagigain from your investment in terms of appreciation, nagigain ka rin sa currency exchange. Ang ganda nun, di ba? Imagine, naghihirap ka sa trabaho dito sa Pilipinas. Pero, yung pera mo, parang OF na. Siya yung pumupunta sa abroad, sa ibang bansa, at nagtatrabaho para sa'yo. Ang ganda, di ba? Now, the question is, how can you start globally diversifying your investments? And of course, ibibida ko ang aming digital investment platform, which is Rampver Online. Si Rampver Online kasi would give you access to all of the mutual funds in the country. The top partners like Atram, BPI Wealth, Sun Life, CMI, and even PhilEquity. Ang aming latest fund ay isang fund from BPI Wealth that gives you access to the S&P 500. Perfect ito for this global investment strategy because it just tracks the S&P 500. All you need to do is to start investing and of course consistently invest. Let's practice disciplined investing. Regularly invest every month, every other month, or when you can. And you will see this over time, over decades, mag-grow lang at mag-grow ang inyong investment portfolio. Imagine this, noong unang panahon, kailangan may milyones ka ng US dollar para makapag-invest globally. But our partners have actually created a facility wherein your Philippine peso can now invest in global assets. So itong BPI US Equity Fund na available sa Rampver Online, you can use your Philippine peso as low as 1,000 pesos. You can use to diversify globally with this fund. So let your money work for you. So this specific fund is just one of our latest funds available in the platform, pero marami pang iba. We are constantly working on this platform so that we can onboard more products and more partners for you, our ka-RFFs. So open your Rampver Online account today, start investing globally, and see your portfolio grow over time. If you have any questions or feedback, comment down below naman mga ka-RFF. And of course, don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell as well so that you are always updated on our latest videos. Okay, so that's it for me for today mga ka-RFF. Salamat ulit sa panonood. And again, my name is Enro Mendoza from Rampver Financials, empowering you for financial success. Cheers mga ka-RFF!